me back, Sonic! Ooh, you are heavy. Seriously, Burnbot. You could stand to burn a few calories.
Keep resting, pal. I'll get you home. Promise. I'll never let anything like this happen to you again.
Sonic?
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that. I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early retirement.
Early retirement?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some. Trust me, it's for the best. I'll see you around, pal.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
Okay, just checking.
Don't look at me like that. I did what I had to do. And now we're gonna make sure Tails stays retired.
Sidekick tryouts. All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. Resume and references required. Can you believe this?
A resume and references aren't unreasonable, sir.
Especially in this job market.
What fool would want to be Sonic's sidekick? Spending every day with him, enjoying his friendship and respect. Not me, that's for sure. Unless... Lousy security camera.